The first light of morning casts long shadows over Tehran and Washington. News alerts flash across every device. Satellite images show troop movements in the Gulf. Diplomats in both capitals are working frantically. But mistrust runs deep. The world is watching, anxious. Fighter jets warm up, warships reposition, and a silent countdown begins. At 3 a.m. local time, radar stations detect unusual naval activity in the Strait of Hormuz. U.S. aircraft carriers alter their course, Iranian patrol boats move into defensive positions, and military command centers buzz with urgent orders. The air feels heavy, like a storm about to break. Every officer knows that a single misstep could ignite a full-scale conflict. By mid-morning, the skies fill with aircraft. U.S. stealth fighters patrol silently, almost invisible to radar. Iran's surface-to-air missile systems activate along the coast. Tension spikes when a warning missile locks onto a drone. Commanders on both sides hesitate, aware that even one wrong decision could trigger retaliation. The sky becomes a chessboard of deadly strategy. In the narrow waters of the strait, U.S. and Iranian ships face each other like gladiators. The waves crash against steel hulls as captains issue cautious orders. Drones hover above, capturing every movement. Tension is palpable. Any miscommunication could block global oil routes or escalate into an open conflict. The sea becomes a silent battlefield of nerves and precision. Meanwhile, ground forces prepare in deserts and urban outskirts. Special units conduct covert drills under the cover of night. Intelligence reports suggest critical facilities are on alert. Civilians watch anxiously as sirens echo in distant cities. The potential human cost of miscalculation looms over. A massive cyber disruption hits both sides. Communications falter, air traffic systems pause, and command centers scramble. The digital battlefield proves just as dangerous as missiles. Leaders quickly convene emergency meetings. Diplomats scramble to prevent a spiral that could lead to uncontrollable conflict. Technology shows its double edge. Power and risk intertwine. World powers issue urgent statements. UN emergency sessions dominate international media. Markets wobble under uncertainty. Protests erupt around the globe. Soldiers remain in tense positions, waiting for orders. Everyone sees how fragile peace can be when two nations of immense military might stare each other down. As night falls again, forces slowly begin to stand down. Ships move cautiously away from the closest points. Jets return to bases, and radar systems return to monitoring mode. No one claims victory. The confrontation ends not with explosions, but with an uneasy truce, showing that restraint can sometimes prevent catastrophe.
Analysts warn that peace is fragile. Sanctions, cyber warfare, and proxy conflicts continue in the shadows. The battlefield has changed, but the conflict has not ended. As dawn rises over the Gulf, ships still patrol, jets still fly, and nations still stare each other down. The line between war and peace remains thin, and the world waits to see who crosses it next.